Welcome to Bridged. In this tutorial, we're going to walk you through how to create and launch an AI-powered polling agent, an interactive, intelligent experience that boosts engagement on your web pages with minimal effort. Whether you want to spark conversations, gather feedback, or simply engage users with fun or thought-provoking questions, our polling agent makes it incredibly easy and smart. To begin, head over to the Bridged dashboard. If you already have an account, log in with your credentials. If not, you can register and create your account in just a few clicks. And here's something important to keep in mind. To display polling agents on your website, make sure your team has installed the Bridged script. If you're unsure how to do this, check out our setup guide or contact support. We're happy to help. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard, your control center for managing agents and experiences. Click on the Agents tile in the left-hand sidebar. This will bring you to a list of all your existing agents, both system-generated and manually created. You can filter through them, search by name, and choose to edit or delete as needed. Now, let's walk through how to create a new one. Click Create Agent, and you'll start a guided 4-step journey. Goal, define, design, and publish. The first step is to choose the type of agent you want to create. Bridged agents are organized by their use case: visitor engagement, content discovery, and content processing. For this video, we're selecting a polling agent from the visitor engagement category. This allows you to display short, interactive polls directly on your content pages. Next, it's time to define the agent's core setup. Start by giving your agent a clear and memorable name. Then, select where this agent should appear. You can target an entire domain, a specific section like a blog or help center, a single page, or use regular expressions for advanced URL matching. If your domain hasn't been added yet, click Add Domain and enter it there. Once your domain is selected, enter the page path, for example, /how to get started, and click Add. You can repeat this for as many pages as you'd like to include. If there are any pages where you don't want this agent to appear, scroll down to the exceptions section and add those URLs too. Now comes the fun part: designing what your visitors will actually see. First, decide what kind of engagement to display. You can reuse an existing one, create a new one manually, or let AI do the work for you. Creating a manual engagement lets you specify a question, a description, and multiple answer options. But if you'd like to save time and generate content that's tailored to the page, choose AI-generated engagement. This option uses our AI engine to scan your page and create a relevant question with suggested answers. Here, you'll find several customization options, including auto approval, which requires your editorial team to approve any AI-generated content before it's visible to visitors. You can also select the engagement format, like a 4-option poll or a slider, and refine how the AI writes by adjusting tone, avoiding certain phrases, or adding specific guidelines. You can also set an end screen, a follow-up message your visitors see after answering the poll. This could be a thank you note, a CTA, or a simple insight that wraps things up nicely. With the engagement ready, it's time to decide where on the page the agent should appear. You can insert it after a specific paragraph, after a matching phrase, or anchor it to a specific HTML element on the page. You can configure placements separately for desktop and mobile, or keep the same settings for both. There's also an option to ignore layout shifts, helpful for maintaining a smooth user experience. Then, customize how your agent looks. Choose between light and dark themes, enable spotlight animations or animated borders, and set card dimensions for both desktop and mobile. You can also adjust fonts, logos, shadows, margins, corner radius, and even layering using the Z-index. As you tweak your design, you'll see a real-time preview on the right side of your screen, so you can be confident your agent looks and feels just right. Once everything's set, move to the final step. You can submit and launch your agent immediately, or save it without launching if you want to preview it before going live. After launching, visit the page you targeted. If the agent doesn't appear right away, don't worry. It can take up to 30 seconds for the AI to scan the content and render your engagement. Use the Bridged Chrome extension to quickly view and edit your engagements right on the page. That's it. Your polling agent is live and ready to go. Need help? Just reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.